Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And as you can see, that market has not come out of the weekend vibe yet. And market is sleeping right now. Right now, gold is standing at 1980 and as expected, the market is behaving like a typical Monday market. Usually, we do not get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday, and moreover, we do not have any news also during the US session. So, as a result, we can expect a more or less a normal market, sleepy during the first half, and maybe some volatility, especially during the US session, during the second half. Okay, so the levels from Saturday are still very much valid. My dear friends, if you're new to the channel, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday where we have discussed in detail about the levels and the strategy we should be following. In this video, I will not be repeating the same stuff because I do not want to bore the existing subscribers. Okay, I will just make the video, keep the video short. Okay. So first of all, as you can see that gold is still standing at the trend line or the dynamic support at the bottom, and if you have any buy position, you can be on the trade because there is a possibility that in the coming days gold may be going up again, because right now the market is still inside the upward channel only. But we cannot deny the fact that recently gold is showing lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs and lower lows are not a good sign for an uptrend market. Usually this kind of a structure signifies that the trend of the market is about to reverse as well. So you need to be very careful, because right now gold is in a very critical level. We have been discussing about this stuff for the last couple of days, because if you look at the chart of DXY also, then DXY is also very much silent for the last couple of days. After the failed breakout, DXY is trading inside a range here. Right after the market opening, we can see that DXY again took support and trying to go up again. So maybe maybe in the next couple of days we may get to see a big move on the chart of DXY, because market will not be staying inside this narrow range for a long period of time. So let's wait and watch how DXY reacts during the US session. Right now the range of DXY is 102.25 to 101.65. This is the narrow range of DXY, and hopefully DXY will be out of this range in the next 1 or 2 days. And the next or the only support of DXY is around 101.80 to 101.50. Okay, this is the only support. Sorry, not 101, 100.80 to 100.50. This is the only support on the chart of DXY right now. And overall DXY is still not positive. We don't have any news or fundamental factor yet. Now let's get back to gold. So as we have already discussed in our previous video, that the strongest support on the chart of gold is around 1950 to 1955. 1950 to 55 is still the strongest support on the chart of gold. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a bounce. At least we can expect the buyers to lift the market a bit from this level here. At least I'll be going for a 60 to 70 pips around this level. But my dear friend, if you see that gold is falling and has come to the level of 1950-55, switch to the 1 hour chart or 50 minutes chart so that you do not miss the opportunity, because no level is permanent in the market. In case there is extreme selling pressure, then obviously gold will break it. But if you switch to 1 hour chart, at least you'll see the market is taking support or not. If you see the market is taking support, showing price rejection from below will give you the confidence that yes, there will be a bounce and you can go for a buy position. This is the only logical trading opportunity in front of us right now. And we also have another level that is around 1969. Okay, I have switched to 15 minutes time frame, and you can see that around 1969 market has taken previous support. So during the day, listen to me carefully, during the day, if the volatility of the market remains like this, If the volatility of the market remains like this, then you can expect the market to take some temporary support and give you a bounce. Otherwise, if you see that during the US session, gold is going down, DXY is also trying to recover. In that case, you can go for a sell below 1969 as well. And this is not a very strong level, but yes, if you lose your patience and if you need a trade immediately, okay, then this can be one trading opportunity. And my dear friends, the number of trading opportunities are very less, as we have already discussed in a previous video, not only on the chart of gold but in other pairs as well, because DXY is stuck inside a range and market is behaving weirdly for the last couple of days, and we cannot deny that. To be honest, as I have already shared, that I have stopped swing trades. Okay, I'm simply going for small day trades where I'm just targeting 40 to 50 pips. That's it. So in this case, in this case of 1969, the volatility of the market will play a major role, because for a breakout or breakdown, volatility or volume is extremely important. Without proper volume, market cannot give you a breakout or breakdown. So if the market remains like this, means less volume, less volatility, so obviously market cannot break the level and market will go for a minor bounce. You can go for a buy. But in case during the US session gold starts falling with volume, then obviously it will break and you can look for a quick selling opportunity below 1969 as well. My dear friend, do not forget that overall trend of gold is still very much bullish. In fact, we have looked at the COT data also. COT data is also signifying that yes, maybe some contracts are winding up, but overall the data is still very much strong. So I'm not looking for any trend reversal as of now, until and unless we get any clear sign. But yes, I'm still very much hopeful that we will get a good opportunity here. Let's wait and watch whether we get or not. After all, this is market is full of surprises. In case market breaks it, then obviously I will be heartbroken. Okay, so the number of trading opportunities are very less. So my dear friend, please be careful, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And if market starts going up, okay, if market starts going up, then I'll update tomorrow where we can look for some selling opportunity. Right now I do not see any logical selling opportunity on the chart of gold except this one. This one is far away, so no need to talk about, no use of talking about this level. So let's wait and watch. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye, take care.